Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to migrate VM from Proxmox to XenServer in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Here I have created a Proxmox VM backup and now I will restore it on a XenServer host. Go to Data Resilience, and then Cross-Platform Restore. Just select this VM backup. Here select the specific XenServer host, and you can simply configure the new VM here, such as VM name, CPU, memory, and operating system, virtual disk, virtual network, and advanced settings. Next, select general strategy like schedule, throttling policy, transmission strategy, security strategy, and advanced strategy, or directly click Next. Finally, confirm all the settings and submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. Let's check the new VM in XenServer. It has been restored to the XenServer host, and let's try to log into the VM. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.